Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode 97 here on season 1. Three more episodes. Three more episodes. Today, we are talking about adjusting percentages on gold. Have I done it? And how has gold affected my account since the Brexit, which was almost a year ago? So, for those of you guys who don't know, to catch you up to speed, I went in super heavy in gold and during the Brexit, a little bit after the Brexit when gold was still on the rise. However, it started to drop because the stock market went up and President Trump got elected, and that caused the stock market to even go up even more. So gold for me right now, I think I'm still in the red. On some accounts, on Stash, I'm green. However, on Robinhood, I'm still red, and in my holdings, like the actual physical form of gold and silver, I think I'm probably still red just a little, like a little bit. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive into. So this question comes from Andrew N, and he says, have you been able to adjust the percentage of gold you're holding after investing heavily in it during the Brexit? And so yeah, I have been able to adjust it. I kind of just did like a shock and all sell off of majority of my gold holdings. So what I did was I adjusted it to 15%. So right now I hold 15% of my account in gold or gold and silver on Robinhood. And at one point I think I was like when I rebalanced, I think I was at like 30 or 40%. And so I did a mass sell off. I think I sold off probably like 300 shares of this one company I was in or something like that. And so now I'm actually at 15%, well, a little bit below that. But right now I'm at 50%. So, yeah, I did have a huge sell-off. And the reason why I went to a more balanced approach, where I did percentages and stuff like that on my Robinhood account, is to give myself a more structured approach to investing. Because before I would just go like, okay, I'm swing trading, and I would swing trade and be like, oh, hey, I kind of want to invest in there, so I would invest in that company, and then I'd be like, oh, I kind of want to invest in that one. It looks good. I want to invest in there. So I would there was no strategic way of how I would invest into stuff, and so it's kind of like just investing and then trying to sell for a profit, and more likely than not, I would never make a profit. So that's why I set up a balanced approach to my account with long-term holds, ETFs and dividends, stock, gold, swing trading, and then I think that's pretty much it. And now I'm going to start adding bonds to that account as well. Here, eventually, I just got to set up the percentages, and when the account is right, when I have enough percentage to adjust it, then I will adjust and add bonds to the portfolio. But for right now, I feel like gold is kind of like the bonds in my account for now. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at my account. Right now, we are looking at. So this is my first time doing this, and I just want to make sure that everything's working first. But yeah, this is my first time I'm doing I'm actually showing my screen. So anyways, go ahead and look. Let's go ahead and look at my screen. So as you can tell, so this is my setup on my Acorns account right now. I hold 86.67 in the account. That was the market close last night. This number right here is how much, or this is like the price per share that I'll invest in for swing trading. So nothing higher than 30.90. That's what I believe is 14. 14% of that, and then divided by 2, or 4. Yeah, so it's the main number divided by 14, and then divided by 2. So that way I can get at least 2 shares. So that's how I know what kind of swing trades I can get into. Down here at the bottom is my percentage breakdown. So it's kind of like set up weird because I just kind of like start putting numbers in random places, and then I just kind of know where it is. So this is gold right here, and I'll go ahead and highlight this for you guys real quick. Let's go ahead and make that like a blue, and we'll make it bold for now, and we'll make it a little bit bigger. So gold and silver, I want to be 15% in, which should equate to about $130. Right now I sit at $109.72. I'm at 12%, 12.5%, and I can allot $20.39 to buy more silver. So right now, for those of you guys who are like, what kind of silver stocks am I in? Let's go ahead and pull that up. So I'm in, right here, I'm in TRX, which is at $40 a share. I got into that at 85 cents a share, so we'll go ahead and, so that one. This is also another gold stock right here. Price is at 108. For me, my average price is 306, so obviously I'm way down on that as well. And then lastly, I believe it's one more. I don't remember which one it is. It's this one, BTG right here. And that one I only have one share in there, and I'm at 26 or $2.63, so I'm a little bit up on that one. But a majority of my account is in the AKG and TRX. So eventually what I plan on doing is when my gold account hits 12%, I plan on taking the allotted amount and reinvesting that into gold and silver. For right now, it looks like it's probably either going to be gold and silver ETFs, or it'll be like the SIVR actual ETF. So it'll be like the market price on silver or something like that. On Robinhood, it's listed. I'll just go ahead and tell you the ticker. Yeah, so SIVR, which right now is trading at 17.45, which is the physical silver share. So I'll probably invest into that and hold it there. I honestly, like, going hard in on mining companies, it's just super risky. I feel like it would be way better for me to start buying into the silver and gold spot shares on Robinhood instead of trying to invest into mining companies and hopefully I get a return from there. So anyways, I hope that kind of answers that question on me adjusting my percentage. Right now I got it adjusted. I took a big hit, probably about $150 worth of a sell-off, and so it's kind of a bummer, but it needed to happen. Over the last month, I've generated probably like $25 back just by staying on my own strategy, and which has been so helpful. So I look for bigger returns in the next couple months. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day, and that is, have you ever been camping? Yes, I have been camping. I used to go camping a lot. Actually, the funny story is me and my wife went camping with my son when he was probably like a year and a half, almost 2 years old. We went up to Big Bear, which is the mountains. So cold. It was not relaxing at all. Like, when you think of camping, you think of having fun, going fishing, that kind of stuff. This was like cold. We basically spent the entire day in the tent, under the sleeping bags, or by the fire. Our hands were freezing almost the entire time. It was terrible, but it was fun. It was a memory that we'll enjoy forever. Anyways, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, or Robinhood, general investing advice, business coaching, Etsy, feel free to post them down below, and I will get them on the next episode. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe and check out my Acorns account, or not my Acorns account, my Robinhood portfolio setup, and then check out the other video right here. And until next time, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.